In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Creati AI Photo Generator app. This is a simple way to turn your ideas into unique AI-generated images right from your phone. The app is designed for both beginners and creative users, so you don't need any advanced editing skills to get professional-looking results. After installing the app on your Android or iOS device, you start by opening it and signing in with your account. Once inside, you'll see an input field where you can type a text prompt describing the kind of image you want. This can be anything from a futuristic city at sunset to a portrait of a woman in anime style. The AI then processes your description and generates images based on your request. You usually get multiple variations, so you can choose the one you like best. Creati also allows you to upload your own photos and apply AI transformations. For example, you can take a normal selfie and turn it into a painting, cartoon, fantasy character, or even a completely different style like cyberpunk or watercolor. This feature makes it popular for profile pictures and social media content. Once your image is generated, you can customize it further with built-in editing tools. These let you adjust details such as colors, backgrounds, filters, or even refine the image by changing parts of your prompt. When you're satisfied, you can save the picture directly to your device or share it instantly on platforms like Instagram, TikTok, or WhatsApp. The app runs on a freemium model, meaning you can generate a limited number of images for free each day. For unlimited access, faster rendering, and higher resolution downloads, there are paid subscription plans available. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video.